Hello everyone, today's video is going to be showing you how to change the foot peg or footrest on motorbikes. This is Suzuki SV 650, but majority of motorbikes are the same way or the same mechanism here. The only tool you need, it takes only a couple of minutes. The only tools you need is flathead screwdriver and the peg itself. As you can see, this was the broken one that I need replacing. It's the same method if you want to do change to a different model or something like that. All motorbikes are the same. So the new one, this is the new one, as you can see, came without this piece. I had to take it off from here to here, from the old one, and I put it on. All the rest, the springs, everything was still here, so that's why I didn't have to order the whole thing, which saved me a few good quid. This about 3 to 4 quid. I had it here, not touched, still in very good condition, so I'm gonna be reusing that. It's a very simple task. As you can see, you have to pinch the ring that's holding the pin. I don't know what they call it, the C-ring or something like that. And then you push the pin out, but keep hold of the spring and the insert, the tube. Keep this together, bring the new one, insert the tube halfway, and then put the spring, and then push it in. Once it's pushed in, put it in place, let the spring get a hold here, and then hold it from the other side, and then push the pin from the top, shake it a bit. You put the C-ring, I'm calling it C-ring because it's the shape of C, and that's about it. As you can see, only a couple of minutes, one tool, as you can see it's working, brilliant, tested. If you found this video, if you found it useful and helpful, please like and subscribe for many more videos. Once I get the part for the lever, I will create a video for that as well. Thank you very much and have a good one.